Hello everyone, welcome back to this video, and today we're gonna do testing those two switches, Cherry Max Silent and RGB one Cherry Max Silent. And you may notice why Cherry Max Silent with this red keyboard and RGB one, because silent switches are very different than this one. So now let's get to this. So now we have RGB one, and I apologize for this camera so burly, and I know it's not that good though. So now we're gonna be testing with the sound switch. So first we're gonna do RGB one, and you're probably gonna know the difference between this one though. So yeah.